Hello everyone, my name is Olivia Wolf and I'm the Program Director at the Findlay YMCA. Today for our activity, I am going to show you how to make your very own homemade kite from a single sheet of paper. Now, you will need some other items in order to make your kite, and I will list those now. So you will need paper, you will need a hole punch, a pair of scissors, a stapler or tape, pens and markers, or colored pencils and crayons can work too, some string or yarn, and also a ruler. So the first step is going to be making a design on your sheet of paper that you plan to use for your kite. So I am going to do that now. Now that I have my design done for my sheet of paper, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my sheet of paper in half, and it's going to fold this way, and we're also going to make sure our design is on the outside. Once your piece of paper is all folded, it should look something like this. The next thing you're going to do is, from the top of your sheet of paper, you're going to take your ruler and you want to draw a line about 2 inches from the top, so about right here, and you just want to take whatever you have, a marker, colored pencil, and mark that on both sides of that sheet of paper, just like this. Leave a little mark on both sides. The next step will be you're going to take corners here and you're going to fold them inward, and you're going to line them up with those red lines that we marked on your sheet of paper. Once you have them lined up, then you will take your stapler and you're going to staple them on the inside, just like this. Of your sheet of paper. And you'll do that on both sides. Once both sides are stapled, it should look something like this. Very similar to our other kites. The next step will be you're going to take your hole punch and you are going to make a hole right towards the base of where we made our staples at. And just make a hole right there. I made my hole about right there. Once you have that hole punched, then the next step will be is taking your yarn, and you can really make your kite string however long you want it to be. But then once you have your piece of string all ready to go, you are just going to put it through the hole and then tie 2 knots to keep it secured. Once your string is on here, then your kite is all ready to go. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to our Facebook page for more videos.